Hello, welcome back to Linux Wednesdays, where we look at Linux tips and tricks on a Wednesday. In this week's video, we're going to be looking at a program called sysmontask, which is a Windows-like task manager for Linux. Now, to install sysmontask, go to your terminal and do a sudo add-apt, which is advanced package tool, -repository, ppa, and then put that command in there. Now, I'll link all these commands in the description below, so you can just copy and paste them. Once you've done that, you can do a sudo apt update. Once you've done that, you can do a sudo apt-get install and sysmontask. Now, to run the program, you can be doing a sudo sysmontask. And there we go, it runs the program. Now here, you've got your process ID under processes, process ID, name, R CPU, CPU, R memory, disk read, and disk write. It tells you down there the owner. So root, kernops, and so on. There's the command it's running. Now down here, I have Firefox running. If I were to type in Firefox, and we say Firefox is misbehaving, click on firefox.bin. It says 21613, which is its process ID. I can press on killer. It says, are you sure you wish to kill the process ID 21613, name Firefox-bin. Gonna press OK, and there you go, it's killed Firefox. Let's load Firefox back up. It says, sorry, we're having trouble getting back your pages. It thinks Firefox has been force quit. I can just start a new session there, and we'll be good to go. There we go, Firefox going back. Again, I can kill the process. Not limited to just Firefox. I could kill the process of Xorg if I wanted to. Killer. I'm not going to do that because it might kill the screen recording I'm doing. I can kill some web extensions if they're not working correctly. I could kill my simple screen record application there. I'm not going to do that because it'll kill what I'm running to record the screen. Can kill this one here, which is the modem manager. If I click on performance, you see here we've got CPU, memory, SDA, SDB, SDE, NVMe, I presume that's my Ethernet, and there's my graphics card. Click on CPU, you get like a graph come up. It tells me I'm running an AMD Ryzen 2600, none of this Atari rubbish, 6-core processor. It tells me I'm using 7% of my CPU. There's my threads that are running at the moment. If I click on logical, you get more like a graph there like you'd see on the ham radio. Can do the same thing with memory. Tells me that I've got 12 gig available, 3.4 gigabytes cached, and in use is 2.2 gig. Again, I can do that with my hard drive. Tells me the processes that are running. So it tells me now I'm actually not reading nothing on the hard drive at the moment. Same thing with SDB and SDE. If we go onto the desktop, I've made a folder up here called test. And if I transfer some files across to it from the memory card, this is my video camera. Should be that one. Yep. Let's transfer some big files across. So we're going to transfer, say, these across. These ones are bigger. Right click, copy, right click and paste. I'll go back to our system task manager and click on SDE. You'll see there, it now says we're getting a read speed. It's reading to the drive at 19. It went up there, 19.2 megabytes. It's transferring from that drive over to the computer. So if we go there, no, let's try SDB. No, we're just going to use this one here. It's not going to show us what it's transferring at. This transfer rate, there we go. You can see there the graph going across. For this transfer rate, let's go to file operations there. Nearly done. That says it's getting 35. And that tells us we're getting 19. Here we go. If I go up here, you've got various different options. You've got file, reset colours, and obviously you've got quit. You've got view, graph direction. I can go new on the right, new on the left. Go to the filter, can add some filters in, or if I wish to. If I click on view, show and hide devices, so I wanted just to get rid of my CPU, you can do that there. Show and hide device, put the CPU back on. Or I wanted just to say SDE, I can de-tick all the boxes there. So I've just got so I can just have SDE running, so I can just monitor SDE. Tools, I can log a plot, If you go to help and we go about, and it says System Montask 1XX Windows Like Task Manager for Linux. I go on the website there, there's the credits and there's the license. Go help and we can go what's new. It tells you there what's new, colour customization and so on. That was a look at a program called sysmontask, which is Windows Like Task Manager for Linux. If you found the video of some use, know what to do, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, the other button seems to work too. But as always, thank you very much for watching Linux Wednesdays. See you in the next video.